Meet the Mishap family. Grandma falls, Mom crashes, Junior breaks an arm, Sis has an allergic reaction. It's enough to give Dad a heart attack. When accidents like these happen, will first responders know enough about your particular medical history to save your life? Your allergies, medications, pre-existing conditions, and other medical information can be critical in an emergency. Knowing what not to do is as important as what to do. If you're not able to communicate with paramedics about your health history during a life-threatening emergency, who will? The key to survival may be your key to life. Key to Life goes with you around the corner or around the world as bracelet, wristband, necklace, keychain, or credit card. Key to Life contains all your medical records and is easy to spot. Every Key to Life is emblazoned with the Star of Life, the universal symbol for emergency medical information recognized everywhere by emergency responders trained to check a person's wrist, neck, wallet, and keychain for medical information. Everything about you can be on your Key to Life. Key to Life software accepts allergies, medical conditions, prescriptions, medical records, x-rays, MRIs, lab tests, family history, emergency contacts, and more. Key to Life is easy to use. USB port quickly connects to laptops. Magnetic stripes and QR codes are easily scanned. NFC technology links Key to Life with tablets, smartphones, and the cloud. Key to Life is even waterproof and can hold up to 4 gigabytes of data. Whether you go around the corner or around the world, with Key to Life, your life is in your hands. Get your Key to Life today.